Hello all, old Geek again, and I'm playing more games, but this time I'm going back to the first video game based on D&D type games that I ever played. From 1983, this is The Dungeon Master, and this was on the ZX Spectrum. I've read the basic instructions, I've played one game so far, and the damn thing crashed on me. So, this might not be the most stable of renditions of it. So, but let's see how we get on again. Please type in your name. It can only be Yog. I don't want a dungeon file name because I'm using the basic one. Don't want to load a character because I'm brand new. Please wait. Your quest, Yog, is to collect 40 turquoise rings. Don't remember it being 40. Right, those are my stats. Okay. I'm quite strong. I've got lots of wisdom. I don't know what that does. Okay. Don't want more information? Let's... Right. I've learnt the controls here. Fight is to attack, but you can just do the first two letters, which is because the keyboard input is very sluggish. It's much easier to do it that way. So we'll fight the kobold or kobold, however you pronounce it. No, 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 no. Yes, yes. Die, kobold, die. That music's very annoying. Very, very annoying. It sounded like it was crackling a bit then. So, don't tell me my old PC's struggling to run this. Okay. So, if you want to search the room, you don't type in search because search makes you look for secret doors. Watch. Search. There appear to be no hidden doors. What you do, really logical this. The command is keep. Okay. I'm going to take those grape potions. I'm not going to take the gritty potion because I drank that last time and it hurt me. Set of orc mail. You put armor on automatically. And a dagger. Okay, so I'm now wearing a suit of orc mail. I've got two healing potions. Those are the great potions. I don't want that. But I have to tell it I want to use the weapon. Oh, hello, Warlock. Selling a zero dwarf mail. There's a bug there. No, can't get that price down. I said no. Thank you. To use a weapon or wep. WEA will do it, and I'm going to arm myself with a dagger because I'm that hard. Okay, that door to the north is almost impossible to get through. I'm going to go south here. I know what's here. I fought it last time. The game crashed on the next room, so we fight a zombie. Yes, have it, you zombie. No, don't miss. Come on, stab it. Eek. Oh, no fumbles. Right, that's the end of the first section of combat. It's still going. Come on, Yog. Bash it. Oh, God. Oh, stop fumbling. Yeah, the zombie missed. Oh, how pathetic. I am absolutely pathetic. Come on, Yog. Come on, Yog. It's still going. Come on. Come on. Undie, zombie. Undie. At least I'm not fumbling it now. Yes. Zombie is dead for the second time in its life. jarring in my ear. Didn't before. When I played it without the screen grabber thing on, it was just annoying. Now it's annoying and breaking up, which is even more annoying. Right, let's go. Keep. There's another bug. A set of... Who knows? I don't know, and I don't want. So let's have some more great potions. Alright, to see how many hit points and stuff you've got, you type in status. ST will do it. I'm down to 6 hit points out of a maximum of 11. 216 experience points. Right, so you type in magic. And I'm going to use a great potion. Okay. Yep. I don't want to use any more, but let's see how much that's healed. Status. Yes, 10 out of 11. I'm fine. Let's not get overconfident. Okay, this is quite annoying. We need to now, if we look, if we go... I'm not going to go south. I had to run away from south. Open east. It's locked. Got to unlock the door. East. Your efforts are fruitless. But you can keep trying. So, just talk amongst yourselves while I eventually succeed at this, because this is the way to move on. And you've got to keep doing this. And I can't afford your spear. No. Go away, traitor. Don't interrupt me. I'm trying to pick a lock. I said, don't interrupt me. People knock at the door. Won't go away. Right. I will succeed eventually. There we go. Now we open it. East. And we go east. This is where it crashed last time when I was searching the room after this fight. I know it's easy. It's a giant centipede. It's more than I found last time. Didn't find anything. They are the weakest monsters in the game. Let's see what is in this room. Okay. We're going to go through it again. East. I don't know if all doors are locked, but there's... I know this one is... I think actually I don't know this one. Yeah, of course it's locked. And there we have the crash. That's what happened last time. So that was my first ever D&D computer game I ever played back when I was 12 years old, and I loved it back then because it didn't crash. Yes, it was slow. Yes, it was clumsy. But I was walking around stabbing things with daggers and all sorts, and it was great. Well, sort of, for 1983. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this short blast from the past, and a little bit of unstable software. I'll try and find another version that works better. But till next time, see ya.